Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What's in a name, Shakespeare would say. A rose by any other name would smell just as sweet. But perhaps Jaya Bachchan would disagree. You just saw how the Samajwadi Party Member of Parliament objected to the use of her full name, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. She felt it was an affront to a woman's astitva and her identity. Vice President Dhankar had pointed out that it's the name given in her parliamentary affidavit. But today, there was another Mahasangram over the same issue, the Naam. After complaining about the use of her full name today, Jaya Bachchan fumed over the tone of the chairman of Rajya Sabha. She said that he behaved in an unacceptable and unparliamentary manner. However, she received a stinging retort by Vice President Dhankar, chairman of the Rajya Sabha, who reminded her that she may be a celebrity outside of Parliament, but inside the Parliament, she cannot run down the reputation of the chair. Watch this heated exchange in Parliament and decide for yourself.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, you may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair. My tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script.
It was a very humiliating experience. जो है, इतने आपका जो एक्सप्रेशन, जो टोन है, वो इतना खराब है और ऑफेंसिव है कि कितना सहन करें। उसके ऊपर अगर हम लोग कमेंट करते हैं तो कहते हैं चेंबर में आके बात कर लीजिए। चेंबर में क्यों? I need an apology.
बस.
From the chair. I need an apology for saying I don't care.
But what does the Sansad rule book say? Point 18 says if a member is to be necessarily referred by name, full name may be used. Now, look at your screens. This is Jaya Bachchan's parliamentary documents. Here, she herself has written her name as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan as far as her election affidavit is concerned and her election certificate is concerned. It names her as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. In fact, if any member of parliament wants to officially change their name, this is the form that they must fill to change their name, style in parliament, or how do they want to be addressed. There are specific guidelines and I'm holding those guidelines. It just requires the filling up of a form. Name change, and this guideline also says that members desiring to change their name style may send separately a duly signed form. Change effected by Secretariat on the request of the MP shall be used in Parliament papers only. It doesn't alter your affidavit, it doesn't affect anything. You just have to fill a form and send it to the Secretariat, and the name that you desire to be used can be used by anybody. So did Jaya Bachchan change her name officially and request for the removal of the reference to Amitabh? Also, did the chair single out Jaya to use her full name? These Rajya Sabha transcripts from yesterday show how Dhankar had addressed every parliamentarian with their full name. In fact, watch this for yourself.
Honorable members, it is imperative that from the chair only such name as reflected in the Gazette notification can and need be called. Shri Ramnath Thakur, Professor S.P. Singh Baghel, Dr. L. Murugan, श्री रवनीत सिंह, श्री गिरिराज सिंह, श्री नगेंद्र रे और शिवराज सिंह चौहान, श्री जय चौधरी, माननीय एमपी श्रीमान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, जय अमिताभ बच्चन is the last speaker on this point.
Didn't you notice? Every name was said in full when invited to speak. Interventions are another matter. But this outrage also raises some other questions, because the outrage over a woman's dignity and her identity and decorum, is this outrage selected? Jaya Bachchan fumed over the tone of Jagdeep Dhankar today, but she was conspicuously silent when their alliance partner Rahul Gandhi spoke about Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, her own family member. His tone was such that even Jaya's party boss Akhilesh Yadav told me in an interview that Rahul should have refrained from such words. Let me remind you and take a look at this exchange on Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav.
मीडिया में आपको 24 घंटा नरेंद्र मोदी जी दिख जाएंगे, ऐश्वर्या राय जी दिख जाएंगी। मीडिया में कुछ दिखाना है तो ऐश्वर्या राय को नाचते हुए दिखाना है, अमिताभ बच्चन को वहां पे दिखाना है। मान लो यहां पे लोगों ने मन बना लिया इसकी जेब काटनी है, पहला काम क्या करेंगे? पहला काम कहेंगे और ऋषभ उधर देख, वो देख ऐश्वर्या राय।
राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी कह चुके हैं कि कब आंख बंद करनी है, कब मुंह बंद करना है, कब कान बंद करनी है।
तो आपने ऐश्वर्या राय पर आंख बंद
तो
करी है कि
खराब
मुंह बंद
बोलेगा
किया
तो मैं अपनी आंख बंद कर लूंगा, कान बंद करूंगा, ना देखूंगा ना सुनूंगा। लेकिन समय आएगा तो मैं उन्हें कहूंगा कि इस तरह का किसी भी महिला के बारे में विचार नहीं होना चाहिए।
So, ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question we're asking on the news hour tonight. Selective outrage over Sansad decorum? That's the question and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Aparajita Sarangi, national spokesperson and member of parliament from the BJP. Also joining me, Harshvardhan Tripathi, senior journalist, Professor Jyotsna Tirunagari, national spokesperson of the TDP, Dr. Sonal Mansingh, former member of parliament from the Rajya Sabha, also on the debate. Nirmala Samant, national spokesperson of NCP. Sharad Pawar is also on the show. Sanjay Jha, author, suspended Congress leader, joins the show. But my first question goes to Nahid Lari Khan, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. And Nahid Lari ji, I just want to ask you, मुद्दा क्या है? अगर जया बच्चन जी को ये नाम नहीं चाहिए तो एक फॉर्म भर देती, शायद कोई ना बुलाता इस नाम से। लेकिन 4 बार इस मुद्दे पर इतनी बहस हो चुकी है संसद के अंदर, राज्यसभा के अंदर, कि अब लोग भी सोच रहे हैं कि इतना हंगामा इस बात पर क्यों है। अगर आपका नाम आपके एफिडेविट में या आपके इलेक्शन सर्टिफिकेट में जया अमिताभ बच्चन है और वही नाम से आपको कोई बुला देता है, तो उसमें व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? नाम बुलाने में प्रॉब्लम है, टोन में प्रॉब्लम है, मुद्दा है क्या? आज द कंट्री रियली वांट्स टू नो व्हाट इज द रियल इशू।
Navika ji, today the issue was not regarding the name. Even I was hearing, I was watching live the Rajya Sabha. Through your channel, I would like to say to Honorable President Madam that we really respect you, you're highly respected, and we are proud that you're a woman. Today in Rajya Sabha, Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan ji, she was wanting to say something when she was interrupted abruptly by Dhankar ji, who also is the Vice President of India. She was interrupted. Mr. Dhankar started rolling his eyes, waving his hands, shouting at her, insulting her. He even said to her, I don't care who you are. I don't really care if you're a celebrity. These are the words he said to her. these words have really hurt the sentiments of women, which make the half the population of the country. I appeal to Honorable President, Madam. Please, ma'am, have Mr. Dhankar's thorough checkup done by a team of 5 good, expert doctors, and to see that maybe he's suffering from some serious illness, because it's become his daily habit of shouting and yelling and screaming in the house. It's totally against the women, and women are hurt, and we women demand that we want to live with dignity. We want that the women's dignity should be protected.
So if women's dignity,
no,
allow me, Nahid Khan, if women's dignity is hurt, then Jaya Bachchan should also have objected to Rahul Gandhi, not once, not twice, but at least 5 times during his Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, calling out to Aishwarya Rai, wo nachti hai. What happened to women's dignity at that time? Not one protest came from the Samajwadi Party or Ms. Jaya Bachchan herself.
Our national president, he was very clear on this. He gave his interview to you. Right now you have shown what he said regarding this. He said he should refrain from saying such things for any woman.
In an interview, I cornered him and asked him, और उन्होंने मुझे गांधी जी की सारी बातें बताई. उन्होंने ऑब्जेक्ट किया, लेकिन मेरे पूछने पर अपराजिता Sarangi, my question to you is the objection that has been raised, the objection on the tone, tenor and confrontational attitude that has become the norm in Rajya Sabha, in Lok Sabha. Is this confrontation a result of the chair or the members of the opposition? Please, today, let's discuss this issue threadbare.
I must tell you that a couple of years back I had seen a movie, Albert Pinto ko gussa kyun aata hai? Today I think the entire nation wants to ask, Jaya Bachchan ji ko itna gussa kyun aata hai? Why is she always angry? If somebody clicks a photograph with her, she's angry. If somebody wants to take a selfie with her, she's angry. She should know that he is not a Sansad, he is not a member of the house. He is the Vice President of the country and he happens to be the chairperson of Rajya Sabha because he is the Vice President of the country. I think this much knowledge we expect from her, number one. And number two, we are all members of parliament and we have registered our names. I have done it in Lok Sabha, she must have done it in Rajya Sabha. It is all a conspiracy to me. There is no question of woman's dignity. The speaker before me spoke as if it is woman's dignity and every woman, 50% of the population is hurt. No, I am a woman. I am a member of the Lok Sabha, but I am not hurt. We have to uphold the dignity and decorum of the parliament, whether it is Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. It's not a question of women's dignity. We are members of parliament. We are not women or men. In fact, let me tell you, I am a Sansad. But every time there is a directive, there is a direction from our Honorable Lok Sabha Speaker, if we do not behave properly, we are supposed to follow the rules and regulations of the Lok Sabha. And I'm sure this is applicable to Rajya Sabha too. So I think Madam Jaya Bachchan must know that there are rules and she cannot point out fingers at the chair of the Rajya Sabha. This is absolutely going against the rules, the decorum, the dignity of the parliament, and we expect her to behave in a certain manner. No unparliamentary language can be used by her within the house.
Well, let me get in Sonal Mansingh ji. Sonal Mansingh ji, you've been a member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha. I just want to ask you, who's at fault here? Because, this entire exchange, on day one, it was with the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha, Harshvardhan ji, who called her by the name. Jaya Bachchan registered her protest. Next day, there was, she herself referred to herself as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan, and then there was a lighter moment in the spirit of how things go on in parliament. And then third day, again, she's taken objection to it. Do you think there is a real issue here? Jaya Bachchan is talking about a woman's identity. Is that being referred to sarcastically and that's why she is angry? Or do you think Mr. Dhankar has a point when he says that the chair has been insulted.
I'm really very, very sad. I feel very sorry. 5 times, this is the 5th time Jaya Bachchan is in Rajya Sabha, and she should know the rules, regulations, the decorum to be observed. Let me tell you, Navika, that Dhankharji came as Vice President and therefore Chairman of Rajya Sabha, even in the old building of Parliament. So from then on, I was observing that there was a constant kind of a problem, so, you know, this, that. But we all used to feel and talk about it that he indulges Jaya Bachchan so much. Being very kind and, you know, always complimenting the Antarashtriya Khyati, you know, internationally famous, ye wo. And I used to say jokingly that I'm also internationally famous, I'm also Padma Vibhushan, but I never to say only one thing, that I am shocked. I have been observing this increasingly. I used to think that कलाकार को पता होता है मर्यादा क्या होती है. It's a very big word, मर्यादा, विवेक. बोलने में विवेक, व्यवहार में विवेक. औचित्य, what is appropriate, what is not appropriate. Where are you sitting? Where are you opening your mouth? It is not in the public, some Ram Leela Maidan or somewhere. So the dignity, the individual dignity, dignity of the chair, dignity of the Southern, the House, dignity of the Parliament of India. All this is to be looked at. It is at stake. And I would really appreciate if this, I mean, one after another, 5 days consecutively, I also tend to think, in fact, I was going to make the point, that it's not as innocent as people make it out to be, not at all. It's really like a well-planned attack. A well-planned attack. And the kind of raising, you know, this, that. We don't do that. We should not do that. So I do not agree with Jaya Bachchan's take. I do not agree with her behavior. I'm very sorry to say that. I respect her. I have enjoyed her movies whenever she has appeared in a movie. But this is unacceptable. And please do not include 50% of the women of India. I'm sorry. No. You could have included 50% of the women and talked about women's dignity if you yourself uphold the individual dignity and dignity of all that I mentioned. This is too much. And then Ninda Prastav and bring, you know, they're conspiring to bring some, this thing on, against Dhankharji, Vice President. Never heard, unheard of in the parliamentary history of India. I really pray that this subsides, people see reason, and there is a mutual bonhomie, apologies to be given, to be accepted, and again, because the work is stalled, nothing happens. What happens to the working hours of Parliament, of the Rajya Sabha? No bills are taken up, no question no zero as I watch. What is this going on, ruckus?
Well said.
So
well said, Sonal Mansingh ji. And you know, I like the way you said, you know, the gesticulating. Or aap to, you are such an accomplished dancer. आप मुद्राओं पे अगर objection कर रही हैं, तो it's to me a very important point that you are making, because dance, the art form, is all about the mudras, but कहीं और मुद्रा दिखानी चाहिए और नॉट इनसाइड. हाँ, बिल्कुल वो अपनी जगह है, लेकिन आप पार्लियामेंट में ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट मेड बाय सोनल मानसिंह जी. बट लेट मी आस्क संजय झा. सो संजय झा, you know, women identity, very important issue. And, you know, being a woman myself, I know how tough it is for women in the work space to make their space for themselves, place for themselves, to be taken seriously. We all know that. All of us who are working women have gone through the grind and come where we have come. But is this about identity? Because my affidavits are signed in the name of Navika Kumar, not Navika Sunil Kumar. I've chosen to keep it as Navika Kumar. Jaya Bachchan can choose to keep it Jaya Bachchan. It is her own affidavit, which doesn't, nobody's forced her to put Jaya Amitabh Bachchan in that affidavit. She can very well be Jaya Bachchan. Nobody's asked her. If she was Jaya Bhaduri as we first saw her when she entered films, that was also a very acceptable name. Nobody has forced her, and nobody can force any woman. So, what is this hullabaloo all about? Is this a coordinated attack only to target once again the chairman of Rajya Sabha, as pointed out by Sonal Mansingh ji?
Navika, I think this is a very serious issue, and I'm glad that you are having a debate on it. Just give me half the time that Dr. Singh has got, and I will try and debunk the arguments that have been made by both her as well as Ms. Sarangi. Disrespecting women is in the DNA of the BJP, and also to the people who are constitutionally appointed by them. One of the classic examples is the governor of West Bengal right now, and the case is before the Supreme Court. And ideally, the BJP should have taken action, but obviously they won't. For the viewers, they can just Google to know what is the allegations against the West Bengal governor. But I want to ask the question of Dr. Singh and Ms. Sarangi. Dr. Singh and Ms. Sarangi, where were you when the current nation, everybody in this country is talking about a woman who went to Paris to celebrate India's glory, called Vinesh Phogat. I want to ask you, where were you? Where were you when she was begging on the streets for justice? And the Prime Minister of this country had no time for her.
Sanjay Jha, we can bring out many issues. We can also talk about where was Jaya Bachchan ji when Aishwarya Rai was being spoken to in the tone that Rahul Gandhi was spoken to. But let's come back to the issue of parliament. Let's come back to the issue. The issue of debate is what happened in parliament.
I am addressing the issue, Navika. Hear me out. The larger point, I remember, this is not, please don't treat this as a one-off incident, which is why I brought up the issue of Vinesh.
Don't call me Miss Singh. My name is Miss Man Singh. Hello.
Madam, just let me finish. Take a deep breath.
He doesn't respect my name.
Let me finish.
Well, her name is Dr. Sonal Mansingh. It's not Singh. So please correct yourself.
Not Singh.
All right. So can you see the offense that she's taking on her name? And that's exactly what the point was. She's actually corroborated the way Jaya Bachchan felt about her name.
No, I'm sorry. My name is exactly as it was given in my affidavit in Rajya Sabha. I have no problem with that. I have problem with you.
Madam, let me finish here.
No.
I have problem with you.
No. Please don't make light of the objection.
No.
Her name is Sonal. Mansingh is one word. So don't split the Man and the Singh is what she's saying.
Okay. My ignorance maybe. But here is my fundamental point.
No, he didn't even say Man. He just says sing. No, I'm sorry.
And
Navika had announced the names right at the beginning.
Didi. That is the culture of the BJP and the people they appoint in the highest positions. You have a Prime Minister who said 50 crore ki girlfriend. You had a Prime Minister who said New Jersey cow. This is the language of this political party.
If you go to the track record, we can pull out a lot of things that have been done on either side. In fact, one of the members of, I think, one MLA even said कि औरतों को पैर दबाने सीखने चाहिए before they can rise up in life. So we can bring out a whole lot of statements that have been made on either side. We are back to the issue, and the main issue today is what happened in Parliament. And let me ask Professor Jyotsna. Professor Jyotsna, what is the issue? Is it politics, or really is it the issue of the dignity of a woman?
See, I clearly see it as a political stand by the opposition. Let me ask Navika ji, what is the problem? Jaya, because I have highest regard for Jaya ji, there's no doubt about
All of
that.
us do.
But again,
Unequivocally.
Dhankar ji called her Jaya. One second. Yes. Dhankar ji called her Jaya Amitabh Bachchan according to her affidavit. She had a problem with that. He called her.
To speak for the dignity of women. You cannot stand up for a woman.
Navika ji, can I complete?
Ma'am, everybody will take their own independent view, Madam Nahid ji. Nahid ji, a debate is about two sides of an argument. We've heard yours. Please hear Professor Jyotsna as well. That's the least a woman can do for another woman. Listen to her. Please go on. Please go on, Professor Jyotsna.
Let me talk. Let me talk.
Respect other women.
Yes. So Navika ji, she has a problem when she is called Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. She has a problem when she is called Jaya ji. She has a problem when Navika ji, she has a problem when she is called Jaya ji. She has a problem when she is called Didi. She has a problem for everything. My question is, she called the chair, you are doing drama here. So that's fine. You can insult the chair. You can say whatever you want with all the ignorance. She comes out and says he's a sansad. She comes out and says, अरे वो तो बाहर आए तो हमारे तरह हैं, हमारी तरह सांसद है वो. You say everything. Don't you think, Navika ji, respect is mutual? Respect is mutual. Don't you think so?
Nahid, respond. The question is to you.
And let me ask.
No, this is Navika. BJP is a party. BJP is a party whose senior leader take Ashirwad from the world's biggest rapist, Asaram Bapu.
Madam, she's not from the BJP. She's from the TDP. They were your alliance partners earlier. Please stop condemning.
They are not letting me speak.
Yes.
They are not letting me speak.
Earlier.
They are not letting me
Yes,
speak.
earlier.
The entire NDA.
Come on, let me speak. I think that's the least you can give. This is what is dignity for women. Let a woman speak. Let a woman speak. I'm asking you. अरे मुझे बात तो करने दीजिए. मेरा point तो लगाने दीजिए. You couldn't stop Sanjay. You couldn't stop Sanjay ji from talking. You couldn't stop Sanjay ji from talking. You're stopping me. You couldn't stop Sanjay ji from stopping. You couldn't stop him from talking when he was, talking about others. But you're stopping me. मेरी क्या गलती है? मैंने आपसे, अरे I am respecting a woman. You are not respecting. Come on. What do you mean by standing by a woman? Where were you? When an SP MLA said was raping a girl? Where were you? Navika ji,
Okay.
I think
What's your question, Professor Jyotsna? Professor Jyotsna, what's your question?
Has raped hundreds of women.
At least I think I should get my time to talk. I didn't interrupt others. I
Yes.
think that's the least they can give.
Speak now.
A respect to women that they are talking about, the dignity they are talking about. Now, Navika ji, my simple question is to the Congress, because they are quoting all these things, to the SP also, because around a week back in the Assembly of Telangana, their Chief Minister, Mr. Revant Reddy, spoke very bad about the BRS MLAs, women MLAs. Where are these people then? Where were these? Why didn't they talk then? तब कहाँ गए ये लोग?
Valid question, Nahid. Nahid, please respond. Nahid ji, please respond. 30 seconds. Please, what's your response? Okay. Nahid is responding. Nahid ji is responding. Nahid.
धनखड़ जी का क्या गलती है ये तो बता दो मुझे.
ना. अरे अब चुप कराइए इनको पहले.
Okay, आप बोलिए.
Where was BJP women when Hathras, the Dalit girl in Hathras, the Dalit girl in Hathras was being raped by BJP netas, and BJP government was saving them? Where was BJP when BJP MLA was raping a girl in Unnao and BJP government was saving him? Where was BJP?
Well, all right, Harshvardhan Tripathi ji, ये गुलाम अली साहब की एक गजल है, मुझे आज वो याद आ रही है. हंगामा है क्यों बरपा. आगे की लाइन नहीं बोलूंगी, वो एप्लीकेबल नहीं है, पर हंगामा है क्यों बरपा, मुझे आज ये समझा दीजिए कि इतना हंगामा किस बात पर है? वुमन की डिग्निटी पर, चेयर की डिग्निटी पर, या इस बात पर कि देश की कोई समस्या नहीं डिस्कस हो रहा है तो नाम कैसे बुलाना है?
देखिए नवका जी, सबसे पहले तो मातृशक्ति से क्षमा मांग लूं, क्योंकि पता नहीं कौन सी मातृशक्ति जाग जाए और कहे कि महिला होने की वजह से हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी ने बोल दिया। मैं अपना नाम हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी बोलता हूं, इसलिए मेरा नाम यही लिखा जाता है। नाहिद लारी खान, इन्होंने अपना नाम ये बताया होगा, इनका नाम इसलिए यहां लिखा जाता है। जया अमिताभ बच्चन, बहुत सिंपल सा है, उन्होंने अपना नाम वो दिया है, वो किया गया। और मैं बार बार एक बात समझ नहीं पाता कि हर बात पर विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले करना, महिला हूं महिला हूं महिला हूं। जो महिलाएं समाज में लड़कर बहुत ऊंची जगह पहुंच रही, उनके लिए बाधा खड़ी कर रही। और आप जरा सोचिए, जया बच्चन कोई सामान्य महिला नहीं है। जया बच्चन इस देश में बहुत बड़ी अभिनेत्री रही। ठीक है, बाद के वर्षों में उनका दूसरा एक कहें कि अपने परिवार घर, उसमें वो चली गई और अमिताभ बच्चन का बहुत बड़ा नाम हो गया। वो अमिताभ बच्चन के नाम से जाने लगी। समाजवादी पार्टी से जो रिश्ता है वो अमिताभ बच्चन की वजह से है, जया बच्चन की वजह से नहीं है। वो उसी वजह से सांसद भी बनी और अभी भी समाजवादी पार्टी उनको सांसद के तौर पर रखती है। अब सवाल ये है कि जया बच्चन सांसद के तौर पर क्या अमिताभ के नाम से परेशान नहीं है? क्या अमिताभ का नाम उनको इतना चिढ़ाने लगा है?
खैर, मैं इस मुद्दे पर इतना तो कहूंगी हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी जी के जया बच्चन जी किसी भी तरह से मोहताज नहीं है अपने नाम के लिए किसी और पर। चाहे अमिताभ बच्चन जितने बड़े भी स्टार हो गए हों, जया बच्चन की अपनी शख्सियत ऐसी है और इतनी महान है कि कम से कम सिर्फ अमिताभ की वजह से उन्हें नहीं पहचाना जाता। इतना तो आपको भी मानना पड़ेगा।
नविका जी, देखिए, मैं जानता हूं, मुझसे आप ज्यादा ही जानती हैं। ये शख्सियत उनकी बड़ी है, उनकी पहचान बड़ी है, लेकिन पॉलिटिकल इक्वेशन क्या बने थे, क्यों वो राज्यसभा में भेजी गई थी? क्योंकि अमिताभ बच्चन राजनीति में नहीं आना चाहते थे। अमिताभ बच्चन जो राजीव गांधी के साथ उनका अनुभव रहा, बोफोर्स में उनका नाम है, तो वो नहीं गई। तो अपने परिवार से उन्होंने ये नाम दिया और ये हर कोई जानता है। मुंबई के फिल्म जगत और उद्योग जगत को लाने के लिए अमर सिंह अमिताभ बच्चन को जो जिस तरह से समाजवादी पार्टी उपयोग करना चाहती थी, उसका ये काम था। तभी एक समय में अमिताभ बच्चन ने नारा दिया था, क्यों ये जुर्म कम है, आगे वाली लाइन में भूल गया, ये जब अखिलेश यादव आ रहे थे। तो मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि कुछ चीजें लोगों को भूल जाती है। आज जया बच्चन,
ये मुद्दा नहीं है कि जया बच्चन अपने नाम से आई या अमिताभ बच्चन के नाम से आई समाजवादी पार्टी में, ये मुद्दा ही नहीं है। वो जैसे भी आई, वो 5 टाइम की मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हैं और अगर उन्होंने कह दिया है कि जया बच्चन ही बहुत है तो जया बच्चन कह देना चाहिए। मुद्दा इतना ज्यादा आगे तक नहीं जाता। निर्मला जी, ये मुद्दा आगे तब भी नहीं जाता अगर जया बच्चन जी एक एप्लीकेशन दे देती और बोलती मुझे इस तरह से रेफर किया जाए। क्या कहीं ना कहीं इस मुद्दे को इस तरह से खींचने की कोशिश हुई है क्योंकि इसमें राजनीति है? निर्मला जी।
सबसे पहले मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट I was not witnessing the proceedings of the parliament. Number one, I have seen the video recording, and from that video recording, whatever I could guess, accordingly, I am giving my opinion. First of all, when I saw the video, what Jaya ma'am was telling, that मैं एक कलाकार हूँ, मैं body language को समझती हूँ और मुझे बोलने दीजिए, हम लोग सब एक साथ है। व्हाट शी सेड, वी ऑल आर इक्वल, हम लोग सब कलीग्स है। और इसीलिए उन्होंने कहा कि आप जिस तरह से हमारे साथ बात करते हैं, ये करते हैं, मैं समझ सकती हूँ। धनखड़ जी, आदरणीय धनखड़ जी जो डेप्यूटी हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, उन्होंने उनको बिल्कुल ही आगे बोलने नहीं दिया और इतना ज़्यादा बोलते रहे, जो देख के मुझे भी आश्चर्य लगा कि उनको भी इतना ओवर रिएक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं थी। मैं ये नहीं कहती कि उन्होंने कोई डिग्निटी का भंग किया और ही हैड डिप्राइव्ड डिग्निटी और ऑफ द डिग्निटी ऑफ अ वुमन। द पॉइंट वाज दैट जया बच्चन से ज्यादा धनखड़ जी को अपने चेयर की डिग्निटी रखनी चाहिए थी।
well said and Nirmala ji, hats off to you. You've nailed it. I think both sides need to calm down. Both sides need to understand that a house needs to have some camaraderie. Nobody is insulting anybody, and we need to get our tempers in check because, frankly, Parliament is to resolve issues of the people. And if this is such a big debate, then there are redressal norms available. Nobody in today's day and age can push a woman, least of all a member of Parliament, not to keep her dignity intact. Nobody can. इतना दम किसी में नहीं है क्योंकि आज की महिला, the woman of today, will just not take it. But just sticking on to a point and taking it to this level, is it required? Women can have ways of making their own identity absolutely well known. They have the legitimate ways to do it, and these recourse are available. But at the same time, should we all just become a little more large-hearted and just carry on in this country what we are here to do, at least in Parliament, that is work for the people, rather than getting involved in needless controversies. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my esteemed panelists for joining me on debate number 1.